Hello, a very good morning, students. On that day in alcohols and phenols, I have completed the conversion here. Now, listen one thing very important. I am using the conversion which you have to write down in the organic copy, and I am starting the reaction like Fitting reaction, Woods reactions, Riemann-Tiemann reactions. These reactions also you have to write down in the organic copy. Only these two things have to write down in that organic copy. And second organic copy you have to write down this alcohols, ethers, phenyls, these all things na you have to write down, so that you should know that from which topic ma'am is starting, and you have to write down in your copy, because all the things I am going together, because the reactions are also very important. In a one day the reaction will not over. That's why slowly I am going to complete those reactions also, and you can learn it. So this one in a alcohol and the phenol, this one is completed the conversion of it. After the conversion we will start here from primary amine. So what will happen when alkyl primary amine are reacted with NaNO2 and HCl? We get alcohol. Beta, what I am teaching here, don't go to a book, because in a book it is given too lengthy. Okay, this best notes are there. Best notes I am telling. Okay, so in this one what I am telling, the primary amine. So here CH3 NH2 is react in the presence of NaNO2 and HCl. So it comes as CH3OH plus N2, or we can say CH3NH2 react with HNO2 to give CH3OH and N2. Okay. Now preparation of ethanol from fermentation method. Now from the fermentation method we are using the ethanol. First is from molasses. What will happen? Molasses is a waste product of sugar industry. It contains large quantity of sucrose. When we are making a sugar, the waste material which is coming out, that was the molasses we are saying. Okay, so we call it contain a large amount of sucrose. In this one, large amount of sucrose is also present. So this sucrose change to ethanol by fermentation. When we are doing the fermentation, it will change into the ethanol. So how the reaction taken place? C12H22O11 with water. Invertase process, it forms as glucose and the fructose. Again C6H12O6, that is glucose, react with zymase to form C2H5OH glucose with 2CO2. Beta, again I am telling to you, one more time I am telling to you, I have started the alcohol and phenols. So beta, please write down these things in your copy. Again and again I am telling, again and again I am giving this to you. So don't leave anything. Okay, after this, and the reaction for that one, reaction conversion one, make for 12th standard you have to make a two organic copies, one for the chapters and second for the conversion and for the reactions. Okay, so these all things we have completed. You checked in your copy that these things you have completed or not. Okay, that's why I am showing you these pictures. Okay, after this, next we will start from starch and from maltose. What we will do now, here starch is C6H10O5, presence of the N. Diester is there, it forms as maltose. Maltose is C12H22O11. So C12H22O11 react with water in the presence of maltase, form as glucose, that is C6H12O6. Now C6H12O6 zymase gives C2H5OH plus 2CO2. Now types of alcohol. First is absolute alcohol. Absolute alcohol is means as 100% alcohol. Pure ethanol is known as absolute alcohol. We have studied this in 9th standard. But it cannot be obtained by distillation method, because mixture of this and ethanol showing, wait a minute, showing azeotropic natural known as minimum boiling azeotropes. So yeah, 95% of ethanol with 5% of water. Okay, so here This is called as the absolute 95% ethanol with 5% water. Boiling point of these two mixture is 78.1. Boiling point of this ethanol is 78.5. Boiling point of this water is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. After this, you have to learn the denatured alcohol, which is in the book also. Okay. In this way, alcohol becomes unfit for drinking. This type of alcohol is used in hospitals and school in the form of the spirit. Okay, it will not form in the drinking purposes, it will form in the form of the spirit. Next is power alcohol. If the ethanol is mixed with petrol and used in the internal combustion engine, then this ethanol is known as power alcohol. Sometimes when the petrol is not there, when we are using, so what will happen, this ethanol when we are using in place of the petrol, so it may also use in a power alcohol, and we can say it is a combustion also. So here now chemical properties start. Okay, so beta, I am saying to you all the things I am giving here, so these things write down in your copy, because in a book it is giving too lengthy. Okay, too lengthy it is given. So what will happen, reaction involving the replacement of hydrogen, cleavage of HO bond, means is this cutting of the HO bond with the replacement of the hydrogen. So first of all, the reaction with Na. So wait a minute, chemical properties I will start in the second lecture. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, thank you students.